the time, still I'm in my prime. Couple new blessings every time we pray. Couple new blessings every time.
Hey guys, it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this will be a how to recreate Jordyn Woods Red Table Talk interview makeup look. Okay, so I have seen a couple of these videos. I saw Jackie Ina's and I saw Alyssa Ashley's. So I was like, you know what, Jordyn is close to my complexion, and my hair is to the point where I can pull off that style, whatever, and yeah, I can just recreate that look. So this is my version of her Red Table Talk look. I hope you guys like it. It was really simple. It doesn't really take too much. So yeah, so to start the look, I'm going to prep my skin using this night cream, Anti-Wrinkle. Just a little bit, you know, not too much. This is probably a lot, but this is my little bit. So because she had a super flawless look, I'm gonna be applying my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation, and this one is in the shade Nutmeg. I think I could get away with wearing it by itself now that I'm lighter. I think I can get away with it, so I'm gonna be applying this. So now I'm going to go ahead and contour, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Truffle. So now that I've applied my foundation and contour, I'm just going to take my beauty blender. This one is clean and it is damp, and I'm just going to make sure that I blend this out seamlessly, okay, because she was flawless. Okay, now for concealer, I'm going to be taking the ColourPop No Filter concealer, and this one is in the shade Medium Dark. I'm going to be using two different powders. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set under my eyes, and then I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Honey to set the rest of my face. So I'm only going to contour my cheeks and my jawline, and for my forehead and my nose I'm going to use my bronzer. Okay, so now for blush, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Nude. And in the picture, it didn't really look like she had on blush. It looked like she had on, like, I don't know. It was very subtle. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on the cheeks, just a little bit. So I see she has something on her lids, and it just looks like she took her bronzer and just placed it in the crease and on the lid. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be taking my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish. I'm just going to place this in the crease and on the lid. So I see she had a little bit of highlight. It's the smallest amount on her nose. So I'm just gonna take this LA Colors bronzer. It's like a gold shade though, so it's more of a highlight than a bronzer. And I'm just gonna take a pencil brush and just highlight a little bit of my nose. Now for the brows, this is my first time ever doing my brows last or after the face. So we'll see how this goes. This is very weird to be doing my brows now, but she looks like she did her brows after. So I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and this is in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to fill in my brows. Hers look sculpted, but they look brown. They don't look super dark. So I'm gonna try my best to do them just like hers. Her shape looks really similar to mine. So we'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna fill my brows in with a little bit of brow powder, and I'm gonna be using the Pro Brow Palette by JLB Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be using the shade Brow Powder. Hold on, let me see. Brow Powder 6. Brow Powder 6. So like I told you guys, this is my first time doing my brows after my face, so I'm still gonna have to conceal under my brows some because I can't. So now I'm going to be applying some mascara. So now for the lips, I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Coco. For gloss, I'm gonna take these two NYX glosses, and these are in the shades Madeleine and Fortune Cookie. I think I'm gonna do Madeleine first. So I found some lashes that could work for this look, but y'all, I can't tell you like how to get them because these are one of the samples that I had from when I was working on my lash line. So like there's no way for you guys to go get them, but I'm sure you guys can find something similar. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is the very soft, very pretty, effortless look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was easy. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. No negativity over here. I don't want to see any negative comments about her or Chloe. Doesn't matter whose side you're on, which, just so you guys know, I am Team Jordyn. But I don't want to see any negative comments, okay you guys? So if you do, comment something negative, please believe you're gonna get blocked, okay? And your comment is gonna get deleted. So you're wasting your time, okay? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of the products that I use in this video will be down in the description box. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.